All right, so I have a 2007 M45 sport model. I've done a lot of work to this car since I had it. Bought it 2 years ago for a birthday present. I would say for 07 it has pretty decent miles on it, but I'm trying to identify this noise coming from the engine. Now, if I can think right off the top of my head, I just recently did a water pump, bolt-on water pump. I did the cert belts. I replaced the driver's side valve cover and the gasket with the tube seals, and did all spark plugs, all the fluids, including trans oil, coolant, brake, differential, and a number of other things, hood shock, little unimportant stuff. But it's this one engine note that I can't seem to identify. If you guys have the same engine in your M45 or INFINITI Nissan type of vehicle, please let me know if y'all experiencing this. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. And before you guys ask, I did clean my mass airflow sensor, and I did clean the throttle plates and everything. I did the 3-step stage drip, which is gonna be next. But I'm gonna go ahead and crank it up so you guys can hear it. I noticed it making that noise maybe a month ago. Buddy I used to work with at a shop, he was telling me that it's possible that it could be the timing chain. It could be a timing chain issue as far as the guides being worn out. But you know, in my experience, you know, it started to make a slapping noise when it does that. And even when I give it any under light acceleration, you can hear it. I'm gonna see if you guys can hear it from the inside. The thing about it is it doesn't hesitate as far as drivability. When I put it in drive or reverse, it doesn't hesitate. It just at idle, and when I'm giving it some gas, you know, when I'm accelerating, it just sounds really rough and scratchy. Now, it's not throwing any engine codes or anything like that. I do feel like it is a lack of power sometimes. Like I'll get it up to 60, or I'll be cruising or whatever, and I'll see the revolutions, the RPMs will be a little bit higher than what I'm used to seeing for it to go so slow or fast. And let me say, this is possibly like one of my favorite cars, and I'm trying to keep it. I've been looking for this car since I graduated high school, and I found it 2 years ago in pretty decent shape. The only thing that was really wrong with it when I bought it was the suspension, and you know, it's been holding up good so far. You know, I hope the guy Ed Boy, the INFINITI guy, I hope he runs into this video. I'll probably tag you or whatever. But if anybody has or has had this experience out of the 4.5 liter V8 in the 06, 07, 08 INFINITI M45, please comment below and let me know if this is something you can identify for me, or have you had this experience. Thank you guys.